In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on SAITAMA future while talking about SAITAMA cost figure for 2022 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to believe this and some other expectation tentatively, since foreseeing anything is a difficult undertaking, not to mention foreseeing the fate of a novel, exceptionally unstable monetary resource like SAITAMA. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dig profound into the SAITAMA value forecast and answer questions in the event that SAITAMA is a wise speculation or not, for what reason will SAITAMA succeed or come up short, or for what reason will SAITAMA value rise or drop, we should rapidly toss a look at what is SAITAMA and its to-date history. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Bitcoin has drooped half from its unequaled high in the midst of the more extensive market drops, affected by seething expansion and US Fed rate increments. Financial backers are selling hazardous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally hazardous play and subsequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2022 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a neighborhood base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the removed and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a sprinkle of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause an ordinary and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and essential evaluation of each venture. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, advertising endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other exclusive variables created in our crypto lab. SAITAMA price prediction 2022. Most of specialists concur that this bear market will endure essentially for the primary quarter of 2022, preceding we see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions. Expectation model brings market opinion into a record and responds likewise. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022, September 24.48%, $0.0028. 2022, October 30.03%, $0.0026. 2022, November 21.71%, $0.0029. 2022, December 14.98%, $0.0032. 2023, Jan 6.26%, $0.0035. 2023, February plus 2.00%, $0.0038. 2023 Mar plus 8.78%, $0.0041. 2023 April plus 21.49%, $0.0046. 2023 May plus 34.89%, $0.0051. 2023 June plus 37.12%, $0.0052. 2023 July plus 53.04%, $0.0058. 2023 August plus 57.50%, $0.0059. SAITAMA price prediction 2025. Our expectation model sees SAITAMA coming to $0.0090 in 2025. What will SAITAMA be worth in 5 years? The cost of SAITAMA in 5 years could lie around $0. SAITAMA price prediction 2030-2040. What SAITAMA will be worth in 2030. Our estimating model sees SAITAMA coming to $0 in 2030. What SAITAMA will be worth in 2040. Our gauging model sees SAITAMA coming to $0 in 2040. Will SAITAMA supplant, outperform, surpass Bitcoin? No, SAITAMA won't supplant or surpass BTC. Could SAITAMA at any point reach $10? Indeed, SAITAMA could reach $10 toward the finish of 2025. Could SAITAMA at any point reach $100? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for SAITAMA to reach $100 in the short or mid-term period. Could SAITAMA at any point reach $1,000? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for SAITAMA to reach $1,000 in the short or mid-term period. How high will SAITAMA go? Our gauging model sees SAITAMA cost crashing and dropping to approach zero in a separated future. Is SAITAMA worth purchasing? We don't see a splendid future for SAITAMA. It merits purchasing just as a momentary theory with a decent leave methodology. SAITAMA is certainly not a decent long-haul hold. Is SAITAMA a wise venture? SAITAMA is certainly not a wise interest as we would see it. Why? Indeed, it faces a savage contest from other comparable crypto projects, doesn't stand apart with its innovation and development, doesn't have a real local area, not including examiners and promotion pursuing group, and the group behind the task is doubtful. Could SAITAMA at any point make you a mogul? No, SAITAMA could not cause you a mogul as we at any point too don't see it doing a 10x cost increment anytime from now on. What amount will SAITAMA be worth? For the momentary future, it could reach $0.0022. In the long haul, 8 to 10 years, it will undoubtedly drop to zero or somewhere around there. For what reason will SAITAMA succeed and get more expensive? SAITAMA has a remote possibility of succeeding. It has no first mover advantage, it brings no special incentive, it has a feeble group and little local area behind it. All of this summarized forestalls SAITAMA to succeed and ascend in cost as long as possible. What is the momentary expectation for SAITAMA? SAITAMA will reach $0.0022 in the following 90 days, which is a 42.4% change over the ongoing cost which drifts around $0.0038. SAITAMA price prediction today. What will be the cost of SAITAMA tomorrow? SAITAMA will drift around $0.0039 tomorrow. When to sell and exit SAITAMA? That relies upon your exchanging profile. In the event that you trust in SAITAMA and think it has a splendid future, holding the coin for basically 2 or 3 years is smart. Taking benefits on wise ventures is a far superior thought. So on the off chance that you are perched on 100 to 200% or significantly more gains on your SAITAMA, changing out a piece of the assets is definitely not a terrible move. Might SAITAMA at some point crash and go to nothing? SAITAMA could in all likelihood be a dead undertaking in 5 years or somewhere in the vicinity. When trades delisted and individuals can't exchange it, you can tap out. SAITAMA will be in a memorial park of crypto coins.